So there's several steps we'll take along this process of creating your business plan, which is actually multiple components. The first component and key step is creating a killer business model. Okay, so what is in your business model? It's 9 components that really define what your business is. And this is a really good tool because a lot of problems startups have is they think their business idea is a product. And it really isn't. There's a lot more to a business than the one product or service you're going to deliver. So what are those 9 components? You have your initial target market you're going to focus on, the problem that you're trying to solve in the market, the unique value proposition, and a high-level concept that relates your business idea to something that investors and anyone else can relate to. Your solution, your product, your service, or combination thereof, how you deliver your product. Your channels, how are you going to sell it? Are you selling it direct? Are you selling it through distributors? Your revenue streams, where are you going to make your money? How much are you going to be charging? Obviously, your cost structure, where are you going to have to spend money, whether it's your product or other fixed costs or even capital expenses. Your key metrics, how are you going to measure success? What are you going to use to really know if you're creating traction, if your business model really is working, or that you've just made a lucky sale? And lastly, what is your unfair advantage, sometimes called your secret sauce? What is that one thing or multiple things you have that is going to make a difference in the market? The second step in creating a killer business plan is creating a financial model. Now these can be really intimidating, and if you're not good with Excel, they can be pretty challenging, or you're not good with numbers. But finance and accounting is the language of business. So whether you consider yourself an artist or a programmer or you're great with numbers, you're going to have to grab these by the horns and really tackle a financial model. And it's going to have some complexity. You're going to have to really dig in and understand assumptions and what your market size are, what your expenses are going to be, and really understand your cash flows. Third component you're going to create is your pitch deck. Now, in the investor world, this is called your business plan, but it really isn't. Really, it's a set of 10 slides, plus or minus a few depending on your structure, that explain what your business is. Tell a story of why you have identified this problem or opportunity in the market, how you're going to solve it, who's going to do it, and why it's going to be a great company. Really valuable, and it's really the most important piece you need in raising capital. The fourth and final component is your executive summary. Now, this is a 1 or 2 page summary, really just a written version of your pitch deck and a few other pieces that come from the business model and a few details about your business. Not that daunting to pull off, but it does take a little bit of wordsmithing and time to nail it.